Come on. Sha-na-na-na-na. Someday we gonna rise up on that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. They telling me it's all good, just wait, no gonna be there someday. Sipping on Jim Beam, okay, gotta get these things one day. Till then, do another line, you know, searching for that other high. Starboard, gotta steal this deal, kill, I'm gonna be killed. I got a sack in my pocket, count it, yell and drop it. You know we gonna lose it someday, and we're trying to hold it all together, but the devil is too clever. So I'm gonna die, you gonna die, we gonna die someday, one day. I said someday we gonna rise up on the wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah, come on.
Try to lie, but it ain't me, ain't me. Try to look, but I can't see. Can't stop right now, cause I'm too far. And I can't keep going, cause it's too hard. In the day and the night, it's the same thing. On the field, on the block, it's the same game. On the real, if you stop, then there's no pain. But you can't feel pain, and there's no gain. Rearranging, you change it, it's all bad. And you try to maintain, but you fall back. And you crawl and you slip and you slide down. Wanna make it to the top, it'll start now. So I hold my soul and I die hard. All alone in the night, in the graveyard. Someday, one day, I'ma be free. And they won't try to kill me for being me. Hey, someday.
Someday we gonna rise up on that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. And someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah. If you know how this is gonna see, it's not that easy. Don't stop, get it till it's done. From where you have begun, I said, keep on. Try a little harder to see everything you need to be. Believe in your dreams that you see when you